She so like play. She so like kiss me. I asked my country I can go with all people, and they say like I can go, but my dog needs stay in China. I cannot take my dog with me and go Ukraine. If you have baby and if you have some problem and you need to leave this someplace, you stay for your baby like you stay here and I go? Of course no. It's like family.
Are you not scared about getting sick?
Of course I'm scared, but you know, I stay at home, and they every day call me and ask yes how I feel, what I do, and now all people cannot go outside. All people stay at home. Before we can go outside one time for 3 days. Now change and we every day stay at home.
Настя, здравствуйте. Это Зеленский Владимир беспокоит.
Угу. Здравствуйте.
Я знаю. Это вам лично позвонить. Потому для меня это очень важно.
If they said to you, you can come back, but you have to leave your dog behind still, what would you say?
I say no, I stay here.
So it has to be both of you.
I say hello, nice to meet you, bye bye, and I stay here because no, I do this one because I won't come back with my dog.